The Nationals selected 30 more players yesterday on the third day of the first-year player draft. Overall, the final tally of 40 picks included 17 right-handed pitchers, 6 left-handed pitchers, 5 outfielders, 8 infielders and 4 catchers. Pitchers Bobby Milacki, 38th round, and Michael Menhart, 40th round, are legacy picks. Milacki's father, Bob Milacki, pitched for 8 seasons in the majors, 5 of them with the Orioles. Bob Milacki also served as Triple-A Syracuse's pitching coach Bob Milacki. Menhart's father is Nationals pitching coordinator Paul Menhart. Of Washington's 40 selections, 33 came from the college ranks and 7 were from the high school ranks. For a full list of Nationals draft selections, click here.